You know what I like when you arrive in a new city or country? First emotions. Barcelona has become the city which made a wonderful impression on me with its chic architecture and its atmosphere. But let's do it in order. We flew from Cologne to Barcelona. Now we need to somehow get to the center, and you can get there by metro, or on this blue bus. You can buy a ticket in a separate terminal or at a ticket office next to the stop. Tickets for the metro and city buses need to be purchased separately. In any metro terminal you choose a ticket for 2 or 3 days, depending on how many days you arrive for. Having reached the center, we immediately rushed to the sea. Unfortunately, the water in April is still cold, but look at the Mediterranean Sea. There are no words, especially from a bird's eye view. The first place to visit in Barcelona is Camp Nou. Be sure to take a tour of the museum, plunge into the history of the club and see the stadium itself. This is included in the ticket price. The tickets themselves can be purchased at the ticket office near the entrance, or on the website. But best of all, I recommend you go to the game and feel the atmosphere of the stadium. The next location is La Familia Sagrada. This is one of the most famous architectural sites in Barcelona and throughout Spain. This is an unusual and non-standard temple, which was created by the architect Antoni Gaudí. Not far from the temple there is a triumphal arch, great place to take some photos and stroll along the boulevard. The streets of Barcelona are one of the most beautiful and picturesque parts of the city. In the evening it is worth visiting the singing fountains of Montjuic. They are the hallmark and decoration of the capital of Catalonia. They are located in a picturesque location, at the foot of Montjuic mountain, in front of the National Palace of Barcelona. And of course, visit the palace because the feeling next to it is unreal. Barcelona is famous for its architecture, and on almost every street you can see wonderful buildings combining different styles. Therefore, take a walk around the city or ride a bicycle, enjoying the beauty of the buildings and streets, because in this city everything is made with love.
I
The port of Barcelona is one of the largest and most important ports in the Mediterranean and throughout Europe. It is located in the heart of the city and covers an area of more than 2 square kilometers. The port of Barcelona has a rich history that dates back to the Roman Empire. Today, the port is an important commercial and cultural center, where thousands of tourists arrive every year. In the port of Barcelona you can see many beautiful ships and yachts, as well as enjoy picturesque views of the city and the sea. It is also home to the famous columns of the port of the Great Christopher, which are a symbol of Barcelona. In addition, the port of Barcelona has many restaurants, cafes and shops where you can have a good time and buy souvenirs and gifts for yourself and your loved ones. Overall, Barcelona Port is one of the city's main attractions and a must-see during your trip to Barcelona. Mount Tibidabo is one of the highest mountains in the vicinity of Barcelona, which is located at an altitude of 512 meters above sea level. From its top there is a beautiful view of the city and the Mediterranean Sea. Mount Tibidabo is home to many attractions including the Basilica Sagrado Corazón de Jesús, Heart of Jesus, which is one of the symbols Barcelona. The basilica was built at the beginning of the 20th century and is a magnificent example of neo-Gothic architecture. In addition, Mount Tibidabo is home to the famous Tibidabo amusement park, which was opened in 1901 and is one of the oldest parks in Europe. Here you can enjoy attractions, ride a roller coaster, and also visit a slot machine museum and other entertainment.